This is what opportunity looks like in Vermont. 34 acres, multiple barns, and a farm ready to be reimagined. Set in the quiet countryside of Brunswick, this 34-acre property offers a rare chance to bring a classic New England farm back to life. Surrounded by wide open space and natural beauty, the setting immediately feels private, peaceful, and full of potential. At the center of the property sits a 3-bedroom, 2-bath farmhouse, ready for updates and your personal vision. Whether you're planning a full renovation or a gradual restoration, the home provides a strong starting point for creating a comfortable rural retreat. What truly sets this property apart is the farm infrastructure already in place. A large dairy barn with an existing milking parlor reflects the property's agricultural roots and offers significant space for livestock, storage, or future projects. In addition, a separate 3-stall horse barn and 2 additional storage barns provide flexibility for a variety of uses. The land itself is both usable and productive. With a 6-acre cornfield and an established 6-acre pasture, the property is well suited for farming, homesteading, or simply maintaining open land. The mix of fields and surrounding landscape creates a balanced environment for both work and recreation. Adding to the appeal is the surrounding conservation land, approximately 180 acres that help preserve the natural setting and ensure long-term privacy. This creates a sense of space that goes far beyond the property lines, offering uninterrupted views and a quiet connection to nature. This is the kind of property where your vision can truly take shape. Whether you're dreaming of a hobby farm, a self-sustaining homestead, or a country getaway, the foundation is already here. Bring your tools, your ideas, and your long-term plans, because opportunities like this in Vermont don't come around often.